Good morning. The problems that you're going to be working on today are just an expanded version of the kind of work we've been doing since before break and yesterday. In front of you is an example of a word problem that requires the use of solving a system of equations in order to solve. The most important part about these problems is answering the question when we're done. I'm actually going to throw the question up when we're done. The scenario is that we have a bottle of water and a taco that together cost $3, and 3 bottles of water is $1 more than the cost of a taco. Let X be the price of a bottle of water. So there's your clue as to how the answer is going to look when we're done. X is going to represent the bottle of water, and Y is the price of the taco in dollars. And they give you the system. They give you the two equations. The related system of equations in tables and values are, so you see X plus Y, the two of them added together is $3, and 3 times a bottle of water minus the taco is going to be $1, because 3 times the water is 1 more than the taco. So we'll build this system. We know we're not going to use 0 for X, because I don't believe we're going to have X bottles of water, but we'll see. So I built two tables. X is 1, 2, or 3. Remember, X is representing the bottle of water, so we have 1, 2, or 3 bottles of water, and then we have to figure out, based on the equations, the value of Y, or what the price of the tacos would be in relationship to that particular equation. So we're just going to put 1 in for X, and for the first equation we'll have 3 times 1 minus Y equals 1. We can solve it algebraically. You can solve it intuitively, most likely. We subtract 3 from both sides, we get negative Y equals negative 2. Divide both sides by negative 1, and we get Y equals 2. But you can see right from the very beginning of this, 3 minus Y equals 1, so we know that Y has to be 2. In fact, we'll do the rest of this a little more intuitively. 3 times 2 minus Y, we put in 2 for X, equals 1. We get 6 minus Y equals 1. Obviously, in that case, Y has to be 5. 3 times 3 minus Y equals 1. 9 minus Y equals 1. 9 minus what equals 1? Y has to equal 8. So we'll put 8 in the table. So we filled out our first table. We'll do the same with the second one. We'll put in 1 for X. 1 plus Y equals 3. Y obviously has to equal 2. We can see we've already found our point in common. I'll fill out the rest anyway, since it's such an easy table to complete. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 0 equals 3. But now we actually have to answer the question we've been given. What is the cost of a bottle of water and the cost of a taco? We were told that X equals the bottle of water, Y equals the taco. So we have $1 for the price of our bottle of water and $2 for the price of our taco. So we could answer the question at that point. And these type of questions, that answer should really be written out completely. The other problems that are in the textbook also give you the equations. I will tell you exactly what values of input to use for X for those problems, and the most important part again is to answer the question when we're done.